Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to switch out of S mode on Windows 10. Now before you switch out of S mode on Windows 10, please note that switching out of S mode is only one-way process. So once you switch to Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Pro, you won't be able to go back to Windows 10 in S mode. Now also let me inform you that there is no charge to switch out of S mode. So in order to switch out of S mode, go to the start menu and then open settings, click on settings and then click on update and security and then select activation. And now once you select activation, you will be able to see this screen which says Windows Edition Windows 10 S mode, and here you can see the option which says switch to Windows 10 Pro, or you might see Windows 10 Home. So whatever you see, go ahead and click on go to store. Now once you click on go to store, it will take you to the next page, and here you will see switch out of S mode, and here you can see there is a get button. So you have to go ahead and click on get button, and this is free. Now once you click on get button, you will see this screen which will tell you to install. So click on this install button, and once you click on install button, it will go ahead and confirm. So it will tell you to go ahead and save your data. So make sure that all the files are saved. So here you can see the option which says have you saved all your files. Then go ahead and click on yes, let's go. And once you do this, your computer will switch out of S mode. Your Windows 10 will switch out of S mode, and it will switch to Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Pro. And this is how you will go ahead and switch out of S mode on Windows 10. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.